Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and today in this video I will show you how to create a 4K quality video in CapCut PC. You will be needing your video in your timeline. Go to your effects and search for Smart Sharpen. So click on the first one and drag it to the clip. Adjust its length according to your video. Now go to the special effects, and here you will be making some adjustments. So these are the adjustments for blurriness, filters for the lighting, range for the a range of this sharpen, and we have this sharpen for making objects sharper. So you will need to keep 30% for the blur, 60% for the filter, 55% for the range, and finally 30% for sharpen. So this is how you get 4K quality video in CapCut PC. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.